Nothing OS 4 could be the company's most ambitious step yet. An overhaul rather than an upgrade. After building its name around minimalism and striking hardware, Nothing appears ready to redefine its software identity from the ground up. Unlike past versions that stayed close to stock Android with light visual tweaks, OS 4 is built on Android 16 and rumored to mark a dramatic shift in philosophy. Leaks hint at an operating system that doesn't just look clean, it thinks smart. AI-driven optimization, deeper system intelligence, and behavioral adaptation might form the core of the experience, much like Apple's recent move with iOS and Apple Intelligence. For years, Nothing OS faced its fair share of criticism. Camera inconsistencies, battery drain, and janky animations plagued early adopters. OS 4 is expected to not only fix these pain points, but reimagine how software performance complements hardware aesthetics. Animations are set to be smoother, transitions cleaner, and system stability far more refined. This time, the software might finally feel as fluid as the phone itself. According to early leaks, visual changes are also on the table, aligning the software's design evolution with the upcoming Nothing Phone 3, rumored to introduce a bold new aesthetic direction. Battery life, long seen as a weak link, is another focal point. Adaptive power modes, smarter background task management, and improved charge estimation could offer meaningful day-to-day gains. Nothing is reportedly working on better low battery alerts and more intelligent power-saving behaviors based on usage patterns. These enhancements show the brand is listening to user feedback and aiming to deliver practical improvements, rather than flashy gimmicks. Customization, already a strong suit of Nothing OS, is also going deeper. More flexible widgets, refined app layouts, and expanded home screen controls are expected, giving users more freedom to tailor their interface. But what truly separates OS 4 is its push toward native AI integration, not as a layer, but as a foundation. This includes predictive app launching, intelligent notification management, and AI-powered camera scene detection that adapts dynamically. This mirrors Apple's AI-centric iOS 18 strategy, indicating that Nothing is preparing to compete not just in hardware elegance, but in software intelligence too. Nothing OS 4 will debut with the Nothing Phone 3 and then roll out to older models, including the Phone 2, A series, and upcoming 3A devices. With the company's strong update history, the rollout is expected to be smooth and widely available. As for the timeline, current expectations place the launch in late 2025 or mid-2026, depending on development readiness. Pricing for the Nothing Phone 3, which will carry OS 4 first, is speculated to start around $549, keeping it within premium mid-range territory while offering a flagship-level experience.